NA300ZX versus SI Honda. NA versus
Oh,
NA.
he has a headlight out.
What is that, just stock?
Just NA.
Oh, really?
NA, yeah. V6.
Just 280 or what?
300?
No, 300ZX. Yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah.
I didn't think it would go that well.
Yeah, right?
Yeah,
Not
this just has an H22 from a Prelude in it. It's all
No
I think.
shit!
nice though.
That's a bad IAC, that's why I just died out. I'm like, fuck.
Oh.
Fucking, it's not holding any fucking vacuum.
Oh
Gotta
man.
fix that shit still.
That's a good looking car though.
Go to the east side real quick. What do you
I like those rims.
Huh?
I love those BBSs.
Oh, thank you. They're actually free.
Yeah, I remember.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah. Alright, I will for sure.